Strongyloides stercoralis. It is a human parasite commonly called threadworm presented in small intestine causing disease name is called strongyloidiasis. It is transmitted through soil because infective stage presented in soil. This disease also found in dog and cat. This one presented on tropical and subtropical countries. This was first discovered by Louis Alex Normand in the year of 1876, but life cycle was first discovered by Rudolf Leuckart. It life cycle having two form, free living and parasitic cycle. Free living occur in soil, parasitic occur in human intestine. This one is a cylinder worm, very small in size, male 0.7 to 1 mm long, female 1 to 2.7 mm in long, presented in the small intestine. How this organism entered to human body means through direct contact with the contaminated soil, playing or farming activities, then contaminated food and water, or taking bath at 30 places. This way only it will enter to human body. Then unbroken skin. This larva enter to human skin, then it will reach to the small intestine. In maturity takes place in small intestine. Only female parasite only enter to parthenogenesis process. What is parthenogenesis means? Does not undergo fertilization or mating. It directly produced egg. Then after that egg deposited on the intestinal mucosal region, then human excreted waste material, it comes to the outer environment, then fecal material having that egg. Now this egg undergo hatching, then it is released rabidity form. Then this rabidity form will develop. Here male and female is there. For both male and female undergo mating, then catching process will occur, then it will produce the rabidity form, then it will develop. After the development, infective filarial form of larva is produced. Again it will affected human being. It is a cyclic process. Two things happen here. After parthenogenesis, egg will form. So many egg is there. Some egg will causes auto-infection. After that, here rabidity form will occur. Some form continue their cycling process. Some directly developed into the filarial form of larva. So two things happen. This one occur in inside, this one occur in the outside. Then notes format. Then laboratory diagnosis, specimen, fecal sample, sputum sample, duodenal and gastric aspirate we are collecting. Cultivation method, tam charcoal or Canada Mori medium we are using. Then ELISA and microscopic test also we are using. Symptoms, respiratory problem, abdominal pain, diarrhea, continuous constipation, meningitis and tuberculosis. Treatment, ivermectin, albendazole, thiabendazole.